In this video, we are going to see that if you want to enable or disable the control or delete secure logon in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to the start menu and just right here, local security policy, open that up and just double click on it to expand it to full screen. And under the local policies on our left in the second option, just drill down and then we have the security option. Under the security option, we have a couple of options on our right. We need to search for the area of interactive logon do not require control or delete. It is set to not define. Double click on it, and if you required control or delete for the secure logon, just click on enabled, or otherwise if you don't want this, you can set it to disabled. So if you basically want to not require control or delete in order for secure login, if you do not want to do that, then click on enabled. So that means enabling it won't do or apply this control or delete condition. Or else if it is false, you can set it to disabled. So whatever the setting you prefer, after that just click on apply and OK, close out of here, and then restart your computer to make this effective. And also after that, once you restart your computer, just write net plwiz command, hit enter. And after that, just click on the advanced tab and it should be check mark require users to press control or delete. That is already set since I set that condition to disabled. And after that, just click on OK and restart your computer again, or just on a single restart. That should work. And that's how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.